actual microphones themselves, we have a power button on the top. We have the microphone mode options and the plus and minus volume options. So you can see, speaking into this, you can hear my voice clearly. And as you press this microphone button, it actually rotates through some really fun sound effects so that you can change your voice through a baby voice. There's the female voice, the male voice, your original voice, and a monster voice. Hello? So you can see that's more of the baby voice. So fun. Hello? 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 Okay, the kids are gonna have so much fun with that.